Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video, I am going to cook my favorite Filipino vegetable stew in coconut milk recipe. We call it Ginataang Kalabasa at Sitaw. I know you guys have your own version on cooking this Filipino dish, but let me show you how I cook mine, so keep on watching! And here's the ingredients that we need in this recipe. So I have here crushed garlic and ginger. My spices, I have here salt, ground pepper, ground coriander, and cumin powder. Chopped onions, olive oil, and I also have here some marinated cream dory fish, squash, and the string beans. And also, I'll be needing some cocoa milk. And here's the ingredients. I'm ready, and if you're ready, let's begin. So guys, first thing that I'm going to do is to preheat my cooking pot, and I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, and I'm going to fry the fish a little bit just to remove the fishy smell. Once the fish is cooked, just set them aside for later use. And on the same pot, I'm going to add the olive oil, and I'm just going to saute the onion, garlic, and ginger. Once you smell the good aroma from it, it's time to add the coconut milk. Give it a mix to incorporate all the flavors. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now, it's time to add the spices in it and mix to combine and to cook evenly. Keep on mixing guys so that the coconut milk will not thicken or will not coagulate. And now, it's time to add our vegetables. Start by adding the squash. Keep on stirring, cover the pot, and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Give it a mix so the squash cook evenly. And also give it a taste to adjust the level of the salt or add if you require. And now it's time to add the string beans. Give it a mix, guys, so all the vegetables will cook evenly. Our recipe is almost done, guys. The smell of the coconut milk with the vegetables smells so amazing. And here, guys, I'm just going to check the doneness of our vegetables. It looks ready. And finally, I'm adding the fish in our vegetable stew. This recipe looks delicious and appetizing. I can't deny this recipe is one of the nutritious one. And here it is, guys, my Ginataang Kalabasa at Sitaw. Filipino vegetable stew in coconut milk. Wow! Ready to serve and to enjoy. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I have new uploads. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!